So today we are going to see the difference between abstract class and interface. So first of all, the abstract class and interface both are used to achieve the same thing, and that is called abstraction. So abstract class and interface both is achieving abstraction where we can declare the abstract methods. So abstract class interface both cannot be instantiated. It means we cannot create the object of the both abstract class and interface. So the difference, these are the similarities. So both are used for abstraction and both objects cannot be instantiated. Now, what is the difference? Difference is that abstract class can have abstract and non-abstract method. Interface can have only abstract method. But since Java 8, it can have default and static method also. So abstract class is using abstract keyword, interface is using interface keyword. So in abstract class, we can have final, non-final, static and non-static members. But in interface, we can have only static and final. The third difference is abstract class provide implementations of interface. But interface cannot do the same for abstract class. So what the purpose of abstract class is to achieve abstraction and interface also abstraction. So when we have to achieve 0 to 100% of abstraction, we can use abstract class. But when we want to use for 100% abstraction, it is only interface. Why 0 to 100%? Because it can have abstract and non-abstract both methods. So next difference is abstract class can extend another Java class and implements multiple interfaces. But interface can only implement interface. It cannot extend another Java class. Abstract class is using extend keyword. Interface is using implement keyword. And one more thing, like any other class, abstract class can have class members like private, protected, but interface class members must be public by default. And one more difference is in comparison, interface are slow because it requires an extra indirection. So these are the main difference of abstract class and interfaces. So now we're going to see by examples. So look here. Here we have abstract class shape. Inside we have declared one move to method that is non-abstract method, and two methods area and draw that is abstract method. So now a class rectangle extends this abstract class shape, and inside it is calling a draw method. Same like circle, one class is there that is also extending the same, and they are also implementing the draw and area method. So now we are creating the object of rectangle class and calling this method. This is the abstract method and move to is the non-abstract. So we are calling non-abstract method also. Same like circle also, we are calling that abstract method and non-abstract method. So let's see the output. So you see, it is calling abstract method also, and move to, we already know this is non-abstract method, it is calling that also. So this can be achieved only by interface. So now come to abstract class. So now come to interface. See, in interface we have declared draw method and area method. Here we cannot declare or we cannot do the abstract methods, non-abstract methods. So we can, by default it is an abstract method. We can, if we want to write the abstract keyword is also fine. If you don't write it also fine. So here rectangle one, this is the keyword implements this interface. Okay, and we have draw and area method. The same circular implements interface. Now, in rectangle, we are creating the object and we are calling the method. So we are getting the output. So this is the difference of interface and abstract class. So the main difference is abstract class and interface both are used for abstraction only. Abstract class can have abstract method and non-abstract method. Interface can only have abstract method, but since Java 8, it can have default and static method also. Thanks.